Maths made easy. Steps to create a trigonometry table. To make trigonometric table, students can follow the steps given below. Step 1. Make a table listing the top row of angles as 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, and write all trigonometric functions in the first column as sin, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Step 2. To find out the value of sin. Write down the angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees in ascending order and allocate them values 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 according to the order. Like this: 0 right pointing arrow 0, 30 right pointing arrow 1, 45 right pointing arrow 2, 60 right pointing arrow 3, 90 right pointing arrow 4. Divide the values by 4 and the square root of the entire value. 0 degrees right pointing arrow square root 0 halves, 30 degrees right pointing arrow 1 half, 45 degrees right pointing arrow 1, square root 2, 60 degrees right pointing arrow square root 3 halves, 90 degrees right pointing arrow square root 4 quarters. Just to remember, angles in degrees. (0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees). Sin 0 and a half 1. Square root 2, square root 3 halves 1. Step 3. Find the value of cos. Sin 90 degrees by equals cos x. Use this formula to calculate cos x values. For example, cos 45 degrees equals sin 90 degrees to 45 degrees equals sin 45 degrees. Similarly, cos 30 degrees equals sin 90 degrees to 30 degrees equals sin 60 degrees. Using this, you can easily find the value of cos function. Step 4. To find the value of tan. Tan x equals sin x, cos x. Therefore, the value of the function tan can be constructed. Step 5. To find the value of cot x equals 1, tan x. Therefore, the value of the cot function can be constructed. Step 6. To determine the value of cosec x. Cosec x equals 1, sin x. Step 7. To determine the value of sec. Sec x equals 1, cos x. Trick to remember trigonometry table. OR. Step 1. Simply remember the sin values and vice versa for cos values. Step 2. For tan x, values apply sin x, cos x, x, we need tan 30. For that, sin 30 equals 1/2. Cos 30 equals square root 3/2. So sin cos equals 1/2 divided by square root 3/2 equals 1 square root 3. By solving this, we get tan 30 equals square root 3/2. For cot values, vice versa, tan values. So we get cot 60 equals square root 3/2. Step 3. For cosec equals 1, sin x. Cosec 60 equals 1. Sin 60 equals 1. Square root 3/2 equals 2. Square root 3. So answer is cosec 60 equals 2. Square root 3. Vice versa for sec values. Practice once, you will get 100% results, and this is easy to remember. Also, for any doubts, PLZ comment below. Thanks for subscribing.